So I'm out here testing out the macro lens with my phone case as well as the LED flash on top. So that's how the LED looks like when I on it. So we'll try to get some macro shots from all these plants here, and maybe hopefully I can get some spiders to show you how it looks like. Okay, that is a spider. Hopefully I can just on the lights. Okay, since I'm doing this, let me turn on the screen recording as well. Yeah, that's the spider. Hopefully you guys are getting this. I'm trying my best to try to film this at the same time. Okay, yep, that's the spider. Yeah, that's going. So this is in macro mode on the main lens, not the tele lens, right? So that's with the adapter. Let's see how close I can get. Yep. So it looks pretty near. Yeah. Yep, very near. Okay, that's how it looks like. Now, question is, how does it look like without this case macro? Let's put that in the pocket and see. And then go back again to the original macro lens. Okay, that's the distance. Right, so let's move as near as I can. So am I getting the same magnification? No, it can't focus already, it's too near. Okay, so it needs to be further away. Okay, is that the magnification? How is it? This is the normal lens. And this is the one with the macro lens, case macro lens, right? So that seems to be a bit bigger. But the question is, we have used this before. We turn off the super macro, and it also can go to 10 times. Let's go back to normal zoom. It can go back to 10 times zoom. This is normal. So you go 10 times. It's not macro, so it's on tele, but 10 times. So this is 12.9 times, right? So the default tele is pretty, oh, look at that, that's huge. 25 times. Even the default lens from this Vivo is pretty good in terms of tele macro, right? Yep, it focus in. Now with the macro lens, but I have from the main, it's not the 50MP, this is the normal lens. Okay, 10 times with the macro lens. With the case macro. So this is not the inbuilt macro, this with case. So how near can I go? Yeah. Okay, let's go to higher magnification, 25.8 times. The leaves are blocking. Wow, that's huge. So with the macro lens and the tele, but it's not 50 megapixel, it's just 12 megapixel. And it's good, pretty near. That's crazy. Look at that. That's pretty near. I'm gonna try to get the face because the handshake is really bad. Because at this kind of zoom. Where's the guy? And that's it. 10 times is crazy, right? With the macro built in as well. So I'm not using the macro from the camera. I'm using the lens. And that's it with the 10 times. As the Dragonfly. Wow, that's huge. Look at it. Yo, not bad. Well, you can see the head. Hopefully it turns around, and then I'll try to get the front part of it if he does that. Yep. With the 10x and the macro lens in front, helps a lot. That screen record this, and then that, oh, yeah, they do fly away pretty fast, but I saw a spider here that is pretty small. So I'm again at 10x. So where is the spider? Yep, there is. That's the link spider. Can you focus, Sonia? Can you get down a bit? What if I use the macro, super macro mode? 8.6 times under macro mode. Can it go even nearer? Yep, there it goes. That's how it looks like. Oh, cute. So this is the 10 times, this is the 10 times. You can see the color difference, right? If it's just 10 times. Yeah, look at that. That looks nice. Because the stacking on the macro really changes the color, because it's the super macro changes using the software. Let's see if any more bugs around here. Maybe this side. Yep, there's one here, right in front of me. Yep, there he is. This is 4.3 times. This is 10 times. Very small bug. Let's do more than 10 times. This is 25 times. Again, it's moving, so it's pretty hard to hold. And the leaves move as well, because the wind is blowing. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, the AI is really hardcore on. So look at that, he brought up all the details. That is the AI. It's amazing. what you can do when you add in the extra lens, right? So that's it. I hope you like the photos coming from this Kase macro lens Master Pro, right? So coupled with whatever tele zoom or tele macro that my phone has, which is the Vivo X100 Pro, is pretty compelling. That it can get even nearer than what the phone does. So the thing is, it's 50 megapixel, which I can't get really near, but with the lens it does get nearer. But you still can't beat the tele zoom part of the camera of the phone. But with the tele zoom, which is 12 megapixel instead of 50, you couple with the Kase macro lens, it becomes even nearer. So pretty amazing, right? So okay, that's all. Do give me a thumbs up and see you on the next video. Bye, have a nice day.